Right now I'm really scared of hearing like noises on the glass, like little bang noises. I'm just thinking, what is that? Carmen? I just heard it. A few seconds ago. It's getting a little strange. I'm going upstairs. This is kind of creeping me out because I just randomly every once in a while hear a little tap on the glass, and it's just really scaring me. Because then, like, I thought my sister was down here. Oh no. Carmen? I thought you were downstairs with me. I kept hearing noises on the glass sliding door. Every once in a while, every few seconds, I'd hear on the glass window, you know how it makes that one noise? I kept hearing that right beside me. I'm just like, I'm not making any noises. The blinds aren't making that noise because the blinds aren't moving. So it just kind of scared me because I'm like, what's going on?
Oh, I was just hearing it up here.
You were hearing it up here? I was hearing it downstairs every few seconds.
See, it just happened. It's just fake. Tiny drops of rain.
I don't know, because I hear it every like few seconds or minutes, and then it just really scares me.
It just did it again. It's okay.
And it's like, well, I didn't know what was going on. I never knew it was raining. Wait, once Amber comes here, I'm going to ask her if it was that. Other than that, guys, I just wanted to let you know, like, I kept hearing that noise a couple of times. So I'm like, I need to record a video. Like, I don't know what this noise is. But I think we found it out.